hello for Uber.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going? Good.
Oh my God.
Come on in. We're on a busy road, so can you hurry?
Yeah, sorry. It just was like a little shocked.
How's your day going?
It's going real good. How's your day?
Not bad. Can you sit back, please, and put on your seatbelt? Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just... You're like really attractive for being an Uber driver.
What do you mean for being an Uber driver?
Sorry, that might sound bad. I don't mean it like that. I
like
just
a
meant...
profession that's not attractive? Or
No.
what?
I just have never been in a Uber with someone who I'm like ridiculously attracted to. Sorry, I'm trying this new thing where I say exactly how I feel, and I'm just like...
Maybe you should not do that. Because this is like my workplace, so I'm trying to keep it professional. Like I'm trying to make money, so respectfully.
Well, I mean, how much money do you make? Do you do well doing Uber? I'm just wondering.
I mean, it's pretty good lately. I mean, with tips, you know, and I do expect tips. I mean, if I do a good job, you know, 5 stars and a tip. But like, I probably make like 200 bucks, sometimes 300 in a day. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So you definitely do well. You put some in the bank. So you have a savings.
I'm able to pay my rent, and I still have like $100 left over every month.
Oh my God, so you could totally take me out. Are you single?
Take you out where?
Like to dinner. Let's go to dinner.
Together?
Yeah, like why don't we go get some sushi? Okay, I'm just going to a friend, so why don't we reroute this whole situation and go to get a sushi roll?
You want to go out right now?
Literally right now.
I mean, I just literally met you.
Yeah, so what? I mean, it's basically like we met on Hinge.
What's that?
Dating app for people.
Oh, I don't do online stuff.
Okay, well, then this is exactly how, this is like a really meet cute situation.
I mean, I have to work. I have to make money today.
Okay, well, why don't we just go to dinner? We can get to know each other, and then you can hit the road later.
It is tempting. I do like sushi.
Yeah, let's go get a spicy tuna.
Why you...
Spicy tuna rolls. Like a cucumber avocado.
Are you...
Uni.
Oh, what?
Uni.
Are you okay? Uni? Like Uno? Like the game?
No, like uni.
Uni.
It's sea urchin. I'll share it with you. You'll love it. So make a right up here. We're totally canceling this, okay? And we're gonna go to my favorite spot.
Are you sure? Uber's not gonna fire me for going out with my passenger?
They don't need to know.
You better not tell them.
I won't.
So it's just
It'll be our little secret.
Okay. Well, don't tell mom either. That was a joke. That was a joke. My one joke you don't laugh at?
Are you into it? That's a little disgusting.
Okay, never mind. I'm sorry. It was...
Okay, you know what? I can't do this. Can you go back?
What?
Yeah, there's this guy in this Uber who is trying to hit on me, and now he's...
What? You were literally hitting on me!
I really just need you to know my location. I'm sharing it with you now. I'm like really
Who
disgusted.
are you talking to?
Okay, yeah. I'll send you his info now.
What? No, don't send anybody my info. I do not approve of that.
Yeah, I'm really not into abuse in the vehicle, so that's disgusting. I'm getting out. Can you pull over?
You have bipolar?
Stop the car! Stop the car!
Okay,
Stop the car! Stop the car!
Hold on.
It's disgusting. I can't believe you would say something like that. And I thought I was in love with you.
We just met. How would we be in love?
Not now.
Please don't slam the door on your way out! Wow.